irregular menses, PCOS, that is polycystic ovarian syndrome, and hormone imbalance. How they affect pregnancy, how they affect conception in a female. Let us take irregular menses, how it affects pregnancy. Usually menstrual cycle in a female will start after puberty and it comes between 25 to 35 days. If it is 25 days also, we have to tell it is normal menstrual cycle. If it is 35 days also, we will call normal menstrual cycle. Don't worry, it has to come 30 days. No, it may be 5 days this way, 5 days that way, no problem. So how we can say that a female's menstrual cycle is irregular? For few people it comes in 20 days, one cycle 20 days. The next cycle it will be 40 days. The other cycle 45 days. The other cycle 3 months. The other cycle 50 days. Very irregular, irregularly irregular. For few people it comes every time once in 45 days. But that is also irregular cycle, 40 to 45 days. That is also irregular cycle. For few it comes only after taking some tablets. That is also irregular period only. Only for few people after 3 months of interrupted menstrual cycle, they will take some tablets for 5 days or 10 days. Then they will get menstrual cycle. That is wrong. So regular menses, actually if the female doesn't get regular menses, it is 100% affects pregnancy. Why it affects pregnancy? There will be some hormonal imbalance. What is PCOS? It is also hormonal imbalance. It contains some 3 or 4 reasons: irregular menstrual cycles, sometimes obesity, sometimes severe bleeding, 15 to 20 days non-interrupted, uninterrupted bleeding, so much flow and lot of clots passing. These kind of problems a female will have. Few people will have hypothyroidism, thyroid problem. So if they don't take very proper drugs regularly, early morning, if they don't take drugs, then again it affects menstrual system, menstrual flow also, it affects all the hormones. Because all the hormones actually starting from hypothalamus, there is a small part behind our neck in the brain, hypothalamus, and after that behind our neck one pituitary gland. After that pituitary gland, again it starts affecting ovaries, both the ovaries. Then both the ovaries, if they start getting affected, again it affects endometrium. So finally what will happen? Endometrial glands and blood and all these things will come as a menstrual cycle once in every month. That is getting affected. So only the mucosa will grow and grow, glands and all will grow very uninterruptedly, and then if it starts bleeding for 15 to 20 days or 30-35 days, sometimes a long time like 2 months also. And the ovarian hormones will not get proper release, they will not come out properly, and the uterine hormones also not proper, thyroid also not proper, and the hypothalamus, brain hormones and pituitary hormones also not proper. Suppose if the school correspondent is very good, school owner is very good, he looks after the headmaster and teachers very properly, and the teachers will look after the children very properly, or children will get communication with their teachers very properly, and the teachers will again, they can tell about this children is not he is bit poor in his studies and he cannot concentrate, all the things, again they will communicate to headmaster, and after that headmaster will communicate to correspondent, then he will communicate to parents. So all this system actually from top to bottom and from bottom to top. If the teacher is very good, then the students will be very good, and students are very good, then they will attain a very good success in their future. And if the success is good, again the school will come up very properly. It gets good result. So in the same way, brain hormones are major hormones. Suppose if the stress is more for the people, female, the stress levels alterations will give mood changes. They get so much anger, and they will be, sometimes they will weep, they will cry, and sometimes they will fight with the husband, and sometimes family members. All these problems will appear. So thyroid problem, you have to undergo treatment very properly. Stress levels, you have to control stress levels. Prolactin problem, you have to undergo proper treatment. All the hormones like FSH, LH, estradiol, progesterone and GnRH, all these things should be very proper, and TSH should be normal. All these things actually will affect fertility, and this hormone problem will give fertility problem. And in the same way, PCOS also, little for PCOS people, obesity will be there, and again acanthosis nigricans, there is some thick skin in these regions like hand regions, and sometimes there are unwanted hair on the upper lip, unwanted hair in the beard, unwanted hair in the breast, unwanted hair in the midline. All these things will happen. For some people, for few people actually, for few females actually, the coarse hair on the legs also present. So these are all affects fertility. This is due to PCOS problem. And hormone problem also in the same way. Irregular menstrual cycles also in the same way. Somehow in all the problems, PCOS, hormonal problem and irregular periods, the hormones are getting problematic. They are all getting irregular every time. So properly they cannot maintain the menstrual system. So menstruation will not be proper. So how to get treatment? Finally, all of you want treatment only. How to get treatment very properly? First of all, none of you should not ask, Madam, please clear my menstrual problem, then I will conceive. No, it will not happen like that. You have to conceive first. For clearing menstrual problem, many doctors will give you some hormones, and you take hormone pills for 21 days or 28 days, you will get menstrual cycle immediately after 5 days of stopping the treatment. It will not give you the pregnancy. See, you are having the problem of infertility and you are having the problem of hormones. If suppose you are already having children, the hormone problem will be treated in a separate way. If you are infertile and if you are having hormone problem, you are having menstrual cycle problem, if you are having PCOS, first of all you always remember that you have to conceive as early as possible, then only your hormone problem will be corrected. So what is important? You undergo treatment for 6 months to 1 year, and first of all you try to conceive as early as possible. In this again, husband also, whether husband is proper or not, husband system is correct or not, reproductive system is working properly or not, he also has to undergo tests. So you only don't undergo tests, you have to take your husband, you have to undergo tests, then only doctor will come to know what is exactly the problem. So sometimes both couples, 50% both partners may be having problem. So both partners to be treated properly and immediately you will conceive. So you have to undergo very proper treatment for the conception. Then after conceiving, immediately the problem will get cleared. So your cycles also will become little regular. I cannot say that it will be 100% once in 28 days or 30 days. It may be around every time, it will come around after 35 days, 40 days, 35 days, 40 days. That is sufficient. Next time you will conceive, PCOS or irregular hormones, irregular menstrual cycle people, actually after first conception, 50 to 60% of people will conceive very naturally. normally without any treatment. Suppose if you don't undergo this kind of treatment very properly within in the early age, that's it, you have to undergo the high level of treatment. So remember, you have to undergo treatment very properly. Once you come to know that there is some problem, PCOS problem or some other problem, after you get married, immediately after up to 1 year you can wait and you can see whether you are conceiving or not, whether you are getting regular periods or not, whether you are having studies, stress and all previously, in your young age, whenever you are studying, now you are married, now you are working, even then you are having tension. See, usually stressful people will get these kind of problems. Please relieve your stress and don't get these kind of problems. If you get also, you undergo proper treatment immediately.